Hello my lovely YouTube friends. This is my last film of cooking and traveling with a caravan. We stayed a total of 12 days in caravans and 1 day in a hotel in Christchurch before we flew back to Singapore. It was an adventurous family trip. We loved it so much. We were super excited when it came to cooking time. It was the most adventurous activities for us. The girls cook and the men drive, do all the stuff in operating the caravans. That's fair enough, huh? I truly missed this adventurous trip and I wish I could go back someday again. It was our second last day living at campsite. We tried to finish up our food. We just cooked whatever we had in the fridge. And I still have some packs of instant noodles. I had some bean sprouts too. You know guys, fried noodles is always go very well with crunchy sprouts. This campsite kitchen is quite scenic too. I cook with a view here. It's very convenient to do some cooking at campsite kitchens. You see, I'm by myself now, enjoying my fried noodles, sipping my tea, enjoying the beautiful scenery from the kitchen. What a scenic kitchen! This kitchen looks a bit old, but it's clean. That's important for me. It has many glass windows, so it's bright enough to do some cookings.
Was machst du hier jetzt?
I need to check out what else I have in my fridge. And I have to make sure they are gone in our last day in campsite. Some mushroom here. Oh, I have quite a lot of greens. I think I have a plan to cook some mixed vegetables. So along the way back to Christchurch, we stayed another night at the last camping place. I was cooking stir-fried mixed vegetables. Whatever greens I had in my fridge, all went into the hot pan. Here we go! I also steamed some eggs to make it look like silken tofu. And then I made some fried ginger with sesame oil and soy sauce. And I steamed the eggplants and I top it with the saucer from the ginger. It was very delicious and appetizing. Alright, I end my video here. Thanks much for watching. I'll see you guys in my Germany kitchen. Bye!